Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our device, and you can do it by tapping on the screen. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe right on the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the moon icon. My bad, I tapped on the flashlight. This is the moon icon right here, and basically to enable the Do Not Disturb mode you need to tap on this icon. It will bring you to the list of durations, and we have all day, 1 hour, 4 hours and scheduled. If you select all day, it will turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, and the mode will stay on until you disable it. If you select 1 hour, it will turn off automatically after 1 hour. If you select 4 hours, it will of course disable after 4 hours. And if you select schedule, you can set a schedule for it to turn on automatically and turn off automatically. So select the option you like, for example all day, and you will see the message DND is on. The icon will change the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled, and then you can swipe left to go back to watch face. Also on the watch face you will see the Do Not Disturb mode icon, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, you can open the quick panel, tap on the icon, you will see the message DND off. The icon will go back to the gray color, and if you go back to watch face you will see that the icon disappeared. And if you want to set the schedule, like I said before, you can tap on the icon, tap on scheduled, and here we can tap on start to set the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode should be turning on. So to do it, swipe up or down on the hours and minutes, and tap on the check mark, then the end time, and once you're done, you can go back, and it says DND on because the schedule is set, and basically it will turn on automatically and turn off automatically according to the schedule. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.